Bitcoin. You've probably heard about it, but what exactly is it? Let's break it down in simple terms. Bitcoin is digital money, created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. It's decentralized. No government or bank controls it. Instead of banks, it uses a network of computers around the world to verify and record every transaction. All transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Think of it as a digital record book that everyone can see but no one can cheat. Miners, powerful computers, verify these transactions and keep the network secure by solving complex puzzles. You store your Bitcoin in a digital wallet, accessible only with your private key, like a password that proves ownership. Bitcoin can be sent anywhere in the world in minutes, often with lower fees than traditional banks. Some use it for borderless payments, others see it as protection against inflation or as an investment opportunity. Whether you see it as the future of money or a bold experiment, Bitcoin has changed how we think about currency. This was your quick guide to Bitcoin. What's next is up to you to explore.